But here's a question for you, is it really worth upgrading from the S24 Ultra to the S25 Ultra? Let's dive in. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about two heavyweights in the smartphone game, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. Both of these devices have taken the market by storm and are fan favorites. So, let's break down what makes each of them special. Presentation of problem/challenge. Alright, so here's the deal. Many of us face this common dilemma when it comes to upgrading our smartphones. You've got the S24 Ultra, which is already an incredible device, but then the S25 Ultra comes along with some shiny new features. You start asking yourself, should I really shell out more cash for the latest model? It's a classic case of FOMO, fear of missing out. You want the best, but you also want to be smart with your money. Should you stick with the S24 or take the plunge into the S25? Let's figure this out together. Starting with the cameras, the S25 Ultra boasts a new 200-megapixel sensor that captures ridiculously sharp images, especially in low light. On the other hand, the S24 Ultra, with its 108-megapixel setup, still takes stunning photos. So if photography is your jam, you might lean toward the S25 for those extra pixels. Moving on to battery life, the S25 Ultra claims to have improved efficiency, boasting a larger capacity that keeps you powered up longer. But hold up, the S24 Ultra isn't slacking either. It still has a robust battery life that can last all day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.